No intro. You want me to hold for you?
No, I don't need to hold the camera. Yo, this brother talk about my black. Oh, yo, look, yo, watch out.
I can't say it.
Yo, just look on the sky, bro.
That's blue.
Yo, it might be even possible with no man. No man.
Just censor it.
You know, say, but
Family friendly?
Somebody tell me say, yo, them son watch it, so.
Yeah. I'm sorry that I was cursing.
If I curse, he has no brought up, see. So this drone here is the Mavic.
What? He was vlogging, sorry, what is it? Like, that's the worst time you see vlogging.
What do you think about the quality on it so far?
It's amazing. I haven't graded the vlog yet.
Really?
You can vlog him after he sees properly or ask him what he thinks.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I just finished watching the car and then like.
What? Unless you talk, oh, but your friend, like it.
We're going on a trip on a very rocky ship.
Straight?
Yeah. Taxi, yo, me just hate red plate. Yo, the man just. So we got Jamie's. Oh crap! Putting on the two-way mic. Yeah. So we got Jamie's right here. Yeah. Just fix the ND. Get some light. I have my son right here. What's up, boy? What's up, boy?
I'm not gonna respond.
Man say my jacket, you know. Aaron say my jacket. Man say I'm obviously a jacket.
There's no possible way.
Alright, so I go up on the next road trip here, me. I go out of town. You don't know, so out of town the thing there, don't know, and everything black and everything that is me, I'm there, I whisper. I don't know why me I whisper. But yeah, I go pick up somebody in the morning and then get some.
Why are you whispering, Pedro?
Exactly. Wait, I'm confused. Why are you whispering, bro?
I need coffee.
You're loud all morning. Well, I'm sure.
Yo, this morning I was going to make coffee this morning, but I totally could have bother.
I think there's waves in Portland, but
Yo, when you look.
it looked kind of like.
Probably crossway. Yes. Oh yeah.
But do it upside down.
Oh yeah. Things go.
Yeah. And then if you could put like. Why you blurred it out?
Oh, because I can't bother like putting the stuff for. Dog, stop.
Yeah, Carmen.
Your drinks always look so good.
What? So them not look good?
Huh?
These not look good?
That's the chino?
Yeah. Oh, shit. You really never drink it before? One. Two. You can't drink out of that.
I'm gonna open the truck. So right about now, we see this beautifully long open road, no telephone lines, green trees in between. I'm gonna fly the FPV drone and rip it, and then I think I'm gonna get one of these guys to drive while I fly. So should be interesting. Now to find the gear, because I don't want something that you can blackmail me later online. Out of context, that sounds horrible.
It's a blackmail. Alright, let's set up the FPV. She's sitting in the car. Part of the vlog. Yo.
How's it going, guys? Welcome to our vlog. I'm so bad at vlogging.
Oh crap, this is over. Oh yeah, this is better.
I think this is the ND8.
Pedro, every time you do this, bro. Dog.
What do you think?
And the worst thing, the man gonna post it, you know?
Yeah.
The worst thing that, you know?
What do you guys think? This is an ND8?
No. It gets. Actually, yeah. I think, no.
Yeah.
ND8.
Yeah, 4 and those.
Yeah, try come out. Try come out. The fight will come out. I think you watch it. Take your
Look at
time.
this coffee I never drank.
Alright, so we're the outside.
I can't even talk to you. Bro, I was talking to him. He just answered me. He's like, okay.
Yeah, I'm telling you, when the man fly, when the man have got FPV, you know.
No.
Over water, I don't with it still.
No, bro.
Man, I'm not gonna beat that out.
Dungeon, bro. Some for like something for them, right? I was like, bro, so where are you? No.
Man, knockout, man. Let's say man senior.
Yeah, in real life.
That's so mean.
I understand, so it's gotta be right. In there is wild.
Alright, man, pack out everything. I gotta get them outside. Big bad era 10.
I mean, if you like, at first it was like annoying to me, but I guess it's still right now.
Alright, so Aaron, this is the plan. I'm gonna get in the front seat. When you see this take off, lock this. Remember to lock it. Jump in the drivers, wait for me to say go, and then just drive. Alright?
They get that, son?
Pedro, I'm gonna hurt you. I'm really going to hurt you, bro.
We're live. Remember, stay away from this.
Alexa, where are you gonna go?
Stay away from this.
Okay.
Alexa,
Are you going in the car?
So we're gonna just search what am I gonna do? Am I in the car too? Oh.
That was a rush. My hands are shaking, I feel nauseous. Like being in that situation while flying in the car was just the most nauseous and motion sickness I've felt in a very long time. Can you open this? But I did one thing, I got so into it that I forgot the battery had you know, a limit. And this battery I think is now dead forever.
Really?
Yeah.
You forgot a new battery?
Probably. Like they don't have any regulators on them, so feel that.
Yo, it's hot.
Yep.
Yo, that was really dope. Really dope, I swear.
That was intense. I should fly the Mavic now. Yeah, what the weather looking?
Yeah, look.
It goes like sun, like it gets sunny and bright, sunny and like dark sometimes.
Dark.
Yeah. So we're going that direction.
Yeah.
Can I touch this with you guys instead of packing it all back up again?
Sure. Alright, so pretty place, well, the name was because the place which we'll go, we'll drive past and then we'll just spot that location. Oh, this is a bit too bright. Okay, I think I'm good now. Yo, this looks good. Yo, the place looks nice.
Market it, I would not go in that.
No. I mean, you can kind of see through still, but...
Yo, look nice.
Yo, when I come back and fly the FPV around this loop and then come up.
You know, it's not murky, it's clean, you know? Yo, it's crystal clear, you know?
Yeah, actually, right.
Yo, the water right here, so crystal clear. Yo, check this out. Look at that boat. The boat is just right there, just sitting down. That's I mean, yeah, I don't know if you call it sitting or something. Okay guys, so actually we're at the location, but apparently Aaron probably miss a turn or something.
No,
so
we're not. It's the only turn is open.
So actually in somebody's yard right now, and I don't know when we're going to actually find a place.
It says right there.
And with the deep out, we're still in a car now?
Bro, we're in the middle of Manchester.
We are within the middle of Manchester, very far. Actually, she over it.
Bro, it's nap time.
Yeah,
I just can't sleep.
I know.
I'm tired.
I'm
Like,
from college, I sleep.
I'm gonna get some more light. Yo, Jano. Yo, so I don't know how this audio sound. I'm trying to get a good exposure, but yo, the wind is going crazy right now. Yo, Jano. Today is a good day, and I'm going to make it a good day. Get some food, chill, relax, and enjoy life, you know? Yeah, Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice. Oh crap, I'm shooting at f4. No, 2.8, please. 2.8, yeah. I'm saying Jamaica is really nice. I wish you guys would understand that. So Jamaica is really nice. So I'm way like in the middle of Manchester.
Food first.
What's this?
Food. Yes, bro. Actually, I didn't curry anything.
We're gonna share it. They're gonna be that guy in the group.
That's food?
You have food to do? You have
No.
food to do? Exactly. So this is our food.
So, we have in our possession the newly released Mavic 3.
That's rich.
Let's take off the muzzle, shall we?
Yo,
That's what people call it, the muzzle.
Yo, me hear this catching the shot. Weird why this be.
Pull this up, and boom. We released that beautiful Hasselblad camera. You know, that signature H.
Yeah.
Hasselblad. It will have 2 lenses on here. First of its kind, really. A camera with 2 lenses.
Yeah. Wait, is it two different cameras?
Sorry?
Is it 2 cameras?
Two different cameras, sorry. 2 different cameras, 2 different sensors. First of its kind, a professional piece of equipment that has 2 cameras and 2 sensors ready to go in the box. So
what's the difference between?
one is a telephoto and one is a regular drone sensor.
Technically, basically iPhone.
Yeah, that was like it's like an iPhone.
Or an Android.
Or an Android, because I don't have attack.
I mean,
No ultra wide angle, but you know.
it's like basically the same thing. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Oh, shit.
This phone is dedicated just for drone work.
Hear that? This phone, he has a drone phone. That's right, just for fly the drone.
Yeah.
That's
It's
crazy.
always in there, just in case, you know.
So ready to launch this up.
No, we're gonna set it up first. Watch the wind, watch the sky a little bit. That's what I'm gonna do. This is the first battery. I have 3. This first one is just 40 minutes of just wasting time. So 40 minutes per flight.
I'm on 50.
With this one, I probably get like 30 minutes. So.
That's good to me. Him not a data. Android guy not a data. Have data. Android guy. Him can't spot you with the iPhone.
I just gave up. I didn't think there was anything out there.
No man, well, our iPhones have data. You're my dedicated Apple guy, you know.
Yo, I want you to stop this to Android them, you know. It's my phone.
You're flying now or you wait? Artist to win first.
Fly it soon.
So I feel hide behind the car. You got dirt in your eyes. Oh my gosh, you got dirt in her eyes. Yo, the footage look damn good. But the window out here is horrible. Like, yeah man, it's too much. I don't even know how to, like, I'm constantly worried about the audio. Oh, you want to see crocodiles and alligators? Okay. Who's going at the water still? Who's still going at the water?
You want to carry this over?
Yeah, I carried. Like, I don't lift it without the case.
Rambo style. Run and gun. No assistants around. Who needs them?
Oh crap. everything they're not the camera bag. Oh crap. Yo, this look well too right. Oh, my hand's full. Oh, my hand really full. Alright. So actually if we walk to the place, his tractor is right next door. Come up here. Let's look uneven and everybody at the front to walk. I'm tired already, but it's going to be fun. Very fun. Yo, this is deep still, you know. So finally reach the location.
Don't put right things right there.
Yo, Sorry. Look. Yo, this is deep. This looks like at least 15 feet. Looks like 15 feet. I'm ready to dive in. For this?
I'm ready.
You ready?
So ready. I'm about to go rip this on my surfboard.
Is it? Okay, so she's going to surf on this. Well, it's a joke.
This right here.
This are nice. The shot are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, the water was amazing. The water was amazing. Okay, shit, that's too bright.
Who that? Boy, Pedro!
Shit, oh shit, look at that. Yeah, yo. Outside the water, nice. Oh, nice. Yeah. Water, nice. What do you think about the water?
It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
It was refreshing. I feel like a new person.
It sounded like you get baptized a while ago.
I did. I got baptized. I baptized myself.
Nice.
So,
Nice.
I'm not good at vlogging.
So she's saying she's not good in front of the camera. In front of the camera is not vlogging. The vlogging
Not
stuff.
just not vlogging. Like, who am I talking to?
Yo, it's not hard enough. It says like, you're just looking. Yo, what's up YouTube? You know, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Yo, I hate it.
This is Siwi. We out here in the middle of nowhere. See, and then I get shy. I don't know what to do.
She's got start this camera
Whenever
shy.
you start to not know what to say, you just say something else.
You go.
Alright, so today we're at, what's this called again, Aaron? Guts River. We're with the lovely Alexa, Pedro, who's holding the camera right now, and Aaron over there.
So why isn't like a lovely Aaron?
Alright, no, okay. You know me, Jameson, lovely Alexa, and the magnificent, glorious.
Sir, don't know, man.
Aaron.
Don't know, bro.
Serious?
That mess everything in a
The
one.
man obviously needs some love, you see me? So I'm overcompensating for all the years he's lacked. So yo, today was a dope day. Like, you can't really see right now, but when the light is in this water, it is the clearest thing you'll ever see in Jamaica, probably. I haven't been anywhere with clearer water than this. We got some amazing shots with the 50-50 dome, with the FPV drone, with the regular cameras. Yo, it's gonna be a nice shot up. Edit. That's a wrap.
Man, bush edge.
That's good.
Man, change angles.
Alright, that's good. Try to
Yeah.
So food time. Yes. Food time.
starving.
Alright.
This one is a
Here and the way over this one. Okay guys, today has been an amazing day. So we'll get some food and call it today. Isn't it? So yo, road trip nice. Yeah, it was a really nice spot. A really nice spot. So I'll see you guys in another video. I don't know when, I don't know where, but peace.